Hello and welcome to the pool room. I know I said in the last video that I was going to put the board in the other machine and test it, and I'm going to do that. But it did occur to me that I did want to get this keyboard out, and so I will. There are 6 screws. They're all the same, involved in the keyboard of a pet. I should actually, yes. I was just checking to make sure that some of them are soldered on, some of them are not. Both of these have the connector, so this should be an easy swap. It should be. Now I'm going to get all the screws out of the, 5 out of 6 out of the one side, and I'm going to get 5 out of 6 out of the other side. And then I'm going to be careful, because I do not want anything else going wrong here. So I think I'm going to take out the bottom one. The keyboard will try to fall, but it won't. And then I will hold the bottom, and I will undo the screw. Okay, and get the cord away from the other cord, and pop out the pet keyboard. All right, that is good. So now we'll see about testing the board in the other pet. Stay tuned. Bye for now.